Ryan Gass here at PTP Gun, and today we're going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Browning 1911 that's in 380 ACP. First step of disassembly of any firearm is to make sure that the firearm is unloaded and clear. So we're going to go ahead, take out the magazine, and go ahead and pull the slide back and lock it to the rear. Alright, chamber's empty, magazine's out. We're ready to go ahead and proceed with our disassembly. With this 1911, it takes apart like many other 1911s, but for those not familiar, you're going to want to send the slide home, and from here, we're going to pull back the slide just enough so that the slide catch, it matches up with the notch that's cut out the bottom of this slide. I'm going to match it up. I'm going to use this little device here, this little tool to grab hold and pull that out. Alright, once we have that out, we can go ahead and pull the slide off. Alright, frame over here. Alright, now I'm going to take the bushing on the end of the barrel. I'm going to push down on the plug, push down that, rotate the bushing over, and get that plug out. Then I can go ahead, I can take the spring out this front way, and the guide rod out the back end. From here, I'm going to rotate the bushing back to the other side, just enough to be able to get that out. And now I'm going to go ahead and be able to slide the barrel out through the front. So from here we have our slide, our bushing, we have our spring and spring guide, we have our spring plug, our barrel, and our slide catch. Right? And then we got our frame. Now from here you can go ahead and start the reassembly. I'm going to go and get the frame out of the way, some of these extra parts. We're going to start by reinserting the barrel through the front of the slide. We're going to reinstall the bushing. It's going to be canted to the right of the slide. Insert, install, rotate it to the left side of the slide. We're going to take the spring guide, re-place that. And now we're going to reintroduce the frame. Match it up, pull it back, and we're going to match up the holes inside of the frame. We're going to match those up, as well as we're going to match back up the notch that's on the back of on the bottom of the slide, so we can reintroduce the slide release, slide catch. Press that all the way in. Alright, once that's in, we can go ahead and reinstall the spring and spring plug. We're going to press this all the way down so that we can rotate the bushing back so they can capture that inside of that slide. Alright, we're going to do a quick functions test. Alright, pull the slide out a couple times. We're going to take this magazine and put it in, because with this firearm, the firearm can operate without a magazine insert. So we're going to go ahead and reinsert the magazine. Alright, safety's off. Pull the trigger in a safe direction. We're going to pull that frame back, slide back a couple times. Pull the trigger, just to make sure it's functioning like it's supposed to. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and pull back. It should lock back with the empty magazine. Alright, and that is now the disassembled, reassembled Browning 1911 and 380 ACP. For more videos like this and others on taking apart handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, be sure to find us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. Thank you all again. Stay safe and remember to train to survive.